Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini on Motorola devices. Gemini is an incredibly smart AI assistant, bringing advanced conversational power right to your Motorola smartphone. It's designed to help you with a wide range of tasks, from answering questions to drafting messages. You can typically access it through the familiar Google Assistant app or sometimes via a dedicated shortcut, making it super convenient to start using its many features right away. Activating Gemini on your Motorola device is a straightforward process. First, simply open the Google Assistant application on your phone. From there, you'll be guided through a few easy on-screen prompts to enable Gemini and set it as your default assistant. Remember to grant any necessary permissions, like access to your microphone, so Gemini can fully understand your voice commands and provide the best possible assistance. Gemini offers a wealth of core features to enhance your daily life. You can use simple voice commands to ask it anything, getting instant and accurate answers right back. Beyond that, Gemini is excellent at drafting messages, summarizing lengthy documents, and even helping you brainstorm new ideas. It also integrates smoothly with other Google services, providing a truly personalized and connected experience tailored just for you. To truly maximize Gemini's potential on your Motorola, take some time to personalize its settings. This allows you to tailor its responses and behavior to perfectly match your needs. Don't be afraid to experiment with different prompts and questions. You'll be amazed at the extensive range of capabilities it possesses. Also, always ensure your Motorola device's software is updated, as this guarantees optimal performance and access to the very latest Gemini features.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.